In spite of mixed guidance for CRM stocks, Salesforce announced earnings for the quarter that ended in October that exceeded expectations. However, Salesforce shares fell when the business announced that Bret Taylor, a co-chief executive, would be leaving, in addition to other management changes. Is Salesforce now a time to buy? Stay tuned. Welcome to Money Talk Sundays. I'm your host, Stevie B. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Again, like, share, and subscribe. And once more, please like, share, and subscribe. Trying to grow this channel. Need your help. Subscribe. Moving on. Taylor will continue to serve as co-CEO until December 31st, 2023. So one more year to go. After serving for nearly a year, according to Salesforce, Taylor plans to pursue his business interests. The company's only CEO, Marc Benioff, will continue to lead it. According to a study by Truist Securities analyst Terry Tillman, we anticipate this revolution will raise issues and constitute a surprise decision for investors that could take time to comprehend. The most recent change in management for CRM stock is Taylor's exit. Now, according to Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives, the street will perceive this as a stunner, with Taylor one of the mainstays in the CRM strategy, even though Benioff remains the core, hearts, and lungs of the Salesforce story. He also added, with Taylor's departure, we can anticipate Benioff stepping up his M&A efforts in the cloud market as more private and public suppliers struggle against a softer macro environment. With CRM in a great position to significantly expand its product footprint over the coming years, this is all about the competition with Microsoft for market share in the cloud and collaboration area. Now, Brian Millham was appointed President and Chief Operating Officer of Salesforce on August 8th. Former President and Chief Revenue Officer Gavin Patterson was promoted to Chief Strategy Officer. Now, early in November, Patterson quit the organization. Separately, Stuart Butterfield, the CEO of Slack, revealed he would be leaving Salesforce in January, according to the Business Insider. A few days later, after Salesforce announced that co-CEO Bret Taylor would resign from his position, the article claims that Butterfield informed staff that the resignation had nothing to do with the announcement. For the record, this has nothing to do with Bret leaving. The planning process has been ongoing for a while, merely odd timing. He allegedly wrote something in a private Slack channel. Salesforce 52-week range includes a high of $270.57 and a low of $135.71. As of recording, it's as low as $133. Now, according to Benzinga Pro, the stock was down 5.96% at $135.93 at the time of their production. On sales of $6.86 billion, Salesforce recorded a profit of $1.27 per share, including investment gains. Salesforce was predicted to report earnings of $1.22 per share on sales of $7.83 billion by CRM stock analysts. Now, the maker of enterprise software reported that current remaining performance obligations, or CRPO bookings, increased 11% to $20.9 billion from $21 billion projection. Deferred revenue and order backlog are added together to form CRPO bookings. Now, in comparison to predictions of $1.34 per share for CRM stock, the business expects earnings per share for the current quarter ending in January to range between $1.35 and $1.37. In addition, versus predictions of $8.03 billion, the software manufacturer predicts revenue of $7.98 billion at the midpoint of range, so just slightly lower. Now, due to the generally poor performance of software growth firms, CRM stock has declined by around 39% in 2022. According to IBD Stock Checkup, Salesforce stock has a relative strength rating of 24 out of a maximum potential of 99. Now, again, is it a good idea to purchase Salesforce right now? Well, let's take this into account. A shareholder's perception of two basic trends often determines whether or not to purchase CRM stock. One is an increase in corporate investment in digital transformation initiatives. The second is Salesforce.com's propensity for making significant acquisitions, such as its acquisition of Slack Technologies, a provider of software for office collaboration. Now, the general performance of software growth stocks is one issue for the Salesforce stock. The iShares Expanded Tech Software ETF, IGV, a well-monitored software benchmark, is down 31% in 2022. The S&P 500 has fallen 15% so far this year. One of the many large-cap tech stocks to follow is Salesforce. Salesforce was founded in 1999 and went public in 2004. Before leaving Oracle to start Salesforce, Benioff, who was also the company's founder, spent 13 years there. Now, Salesforce and Google have partnered to analyze data in the cloud. Salesforce has also increased its venture capital investment. Salesforce stock reached an all-time high of $311.75 on November 9, 2021, after creating a lengthy cup base between September 2020 and September 2021. As the software sector contracted in the latter half of 2021, obviously, the stock began to fall. Now, CRM stock presently has a relative strength rating of 18 out of a maximum possible 99, according to IBD Stock Checkup. Stocks with ratings of 80 or higher are often the best stocks. The IBD composite rating for CRM stock is 44 out of a possible 99. IBD's composite rating creates a single, simple rating by combining 5 different proprietary. The composite rating of the top growth stocks is 90 or above. Additionally, the accumulation distribution rating for CRM stock is a D-. The grade considers volume and price fluctuations in a stock over the previous 13 trading weeks. The ranking gauges institutional stock purchases and sales on a scale from A+ to E. E denotes heavy selling, whereas A+ denotes heavy institutional buying. Consider a C as a neutral grade. CRM stock has no viable entry point as of December 6th. To be useful, Salesforce stock must establish a new basis. So again, it is now a good time to purchase Salesforce. Considering that right now, the uncertainty of their management and what is going on, I would wait a bit. It might drop some more, and then it might start to consolidate. Wait for it to drop a little bit more. Wait for Salesforce to find out what their path is going to be. Pay attention to what moves that they are making, and from there, then will be a good time to go ahead and jump in for the next run. That's all I have to say on Salesforce. Again, if you enjoyed listening, enjoyed the information, hit that like, share, and subscribe. Again, like, share, and subscribe. One more time, like, share, and subscribe. This is your boy Stevie B tuning in for Money Talk Sundays. Peace.